Hey y'all, how's it going? Welcome back. Today, can you guess what we're gonna do? That's right, we're griddling. You're so smart. We had a new grocery open up. It's one of those fancy places that if you know how like Whole Foods people may look down their nose at Walmart shoppers. Well, these people look down at Whole Foods shoppers that way. It's a little upscale, but they got some good food. And there were a couple of bargains. And this is on low. I know I didn't put too much oil. I think it's just hot. So, we have avocado oil. And what could we possibly do with avocado oil? Well, this fancy grocery had some fancy veggie mix already chopped up and everything. So let's throw on some veggie mix. It's a veggie day! Yay, veggie day! We like veggie day, yay! Right, Baja? You like veggie day? Uh-oh. I lost a couple of my very expensive veggies. I did mention the place wasn't cheap, right? Oh, are you eating veggies? Raw veggies? No, I didn't think so. You're not that weird. That is evil. Okay. So we got veggies. We have some complete seasoning. That might be interesting, huh? A dia complete. And a little sriracha. Sriracha salt. That might perk things up a little bit. Don't know, don't try, as a friend says. Or don't try, don't know. Something like that. It's very deep, whatever it is, she says. Too deep for me. I'll just stick with mixing my veggies. I didn't cook them all because I can't eat them all at once, and tomorrow I may do them again with something non-veggie. But let's see, we've got ooh, you know what might be good? Ghee! Let's add some ghee. It's got may include one or more of the following: portobello mushrooms, yellow squash, zucchini, red onions, bell peppers, green, orange, red, and or yellow, and garlic. That's a good mix. Should have brought out some garlic. How about some chives? You know, I like my chives lately. We'll dump some chives on. Ooh. Chili lime, you say? Oh, we like our chili lime. That really makes veggies pop. So we're almost there. Oh man, can you smell it? Smell-o-vision. Maybe I could invent a scratch and sniff griddling app. Scratch and sniff griddle website. No, it's all about apps now, isn't it? Scratch and sniff griddle app. So you could scratch my veggies and sniff them and go, ooh, ah, he's so lucky. He's got griddled Veggies that smell so nice. What's that, Baja? Oh, you want me to throw the ball? Yeah, it's looking good. Smelling good. Feeling good. I know you wish you were me right now. But we can't all be me. Probably grab something to throw those onto. My handy dandy dollar store pan. If you use it to cook on the griddle, this is what happens. So, learn from my lesson, folks. I'm here to screw up so you don't have to. That is a sacrifice I am willing to make. These are done. Maybe I'll make that my new motto. It was going to be griddle with a view or something. But I think I screw up so you don't have to. That's got a ring, doesn't it? Griddle porn, we screw up so you don't gotta. Although I didn't screw up these veggies at all. Just look at them. Oh, they smell so good. Goody, goody, goody. Goody, 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 goody. Ready? Ah! 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 That's not very close up, is it? Uh-oh. Need a stronger set screw. Oh, look at that. Look how yummy. Let's see if we can switch in mid. We did it. Oh, yummy. Yummy veggies. So that's all we've got for today. Yummy veggies. It's not. There we go. Yeah, it's veggie day. Thanks for watching, y'all. Come back next time or I'll screw up again so you don't have to. Bye!